Hello there. I'm Dan Rather. When we're putting stories together for our weekly television program, Dan Rather Reports, it's inevitable that some things end up on the cutting room floor. We interviewed star running back Brian Westbrook for our investigation into concussions and sports. Here's part of a very special interview that didn't make that original story. Take me from the moment you said you were on the sideline, things were a little, what I'll call woolly for you, if you will. Coach sees you and you come right out. What's going through your head?
You wonder. You're wondering, okay, now that I have this second concussion, how long am I out for? Does this mean my season's over? Does this mean my career's over? What does this actually mean? Where do you go from here?
Any possibility that before the preseason training starts, you will say, listen, I've gotten a lot of glory, had a lot of pleasure out of it, made enough money to make myself secure the rest of life, time for me to hang it up?
I'm 100% sure that I wouldn't hang it up before, unless something crazy happens. Right. My goal is to get back out there and play football again. That's what I'm going to train this all season to do. That's what I'm going to put, everything that I can into being able to do next year, is to go out there and play football at a high level. That's my goal, and that's what I'm planning on doing.
And you think you'll be able to do that?
I think I will.
If you do play, do you expect to be with the Eagles?
I'm not sure. That's one of those things that it really is up to them. I'm under contract another year, and I would love to be in Philadelphia. There's no other team that I would love to play for more than the Philadelphia Eagles. Mm-hmm. But it's a situation where in the NFL, younger, cheaper, and sometimes it's better for teams. And so, there's one of those things, and it's part of the business. I experienced when I was younger, and now I experience at a different aspect now. You have to try to find out, for the team, what's better for them.
It's hard to imagine the modern Philadelphia Eagles without Brian Westbrook.
Well, that's part of the business. Being there, like I said, I would love to be with the Philadelphia Eagles for the entirety of my career. But the business says that at some point you're going to get fired. At some point they're going to say, you know what, you're not good enough to play here for the amount of money that we would have to play you. One of the best running backs in the game, Emmitt Smith, he won multiple championships with the Dallas Cowboys. He didn't end his career in Dallas. A lot of people may not remember that. He ended his career in Arizona. Right. And so he of course, was the best, one of the best running backs the franchise history.
He did pretty well in Arizona.
Yeah, and he did very well in Arizona. But he didn't end his career in Dallas. And there was a reason for that, because the business model always says younger and cheaper for those professional football teams.
Well, you know that some scientists, in fact, I'm prepared to say quite a few scientists, believe that there is a link between concussions you sustain now, and brain injury like dementia later on in life. Are you worried at all about that?
Those things concern me. And after talking to the doctors, finding that information out, those are things that, truly concern me. And I don't think that before all these concussion facts came out, people didn't know that. A lot of football players didn't know that, and I include myself in that if you have 2 or 3, 4 concussions, that you're at higher risk of having dementia and early onset of Alzheimer's. You worry about that, really. Now that I've had 2, I worry about that. That's something that I think about all the time.
I understand. One sports columnist wrote, I want to read you this quote and get your reaction to it. Quote, "There was a time in this country when we weren't required to wear seatbelts. Smoking cigarettes was chic, and bacon and eggs were considered a healthy start to any morning. In 10 years, we might look back at the sport of football and cringe the same way." End of quote. You agree or disagree?
I disagree. I think in some aspects of the game, certain things will have to change, but football is America's game. It's America's sport. We love it. It's fans across the world, across the country that love this game. I think certain aspects of the game have changed drastically since I was a little kid, since, way before I was even born to this point now. And those things, those part of the games that make the game unsafe will have to change.
If you want to see more of my interview with Brian Westbrook, or you're interested in our 2 hour-long investigations about concussions in sports, You can find them on iTunes. Just look for Dan Rather Reports and the episodes called Knocking Heads and Taking a Hit.